Hello to every one of us, again, nationwide and worldwide. It is already December 31, end of the years. End of the year. And then New Year soon tonight. Oh my, bliss na bliss talaga for the 2025. I wish everything to all my subscriber of mine. Nationwide, worldwide, buong mundo, kung sa Tagalog pa, different countries, different people, living in the different countries. Thank you very much for your support of my new YouTube channel. And Happy New Year to all of us. And thank you very much that you are still making a support in my videos, in my different videos, in my old videos, or it depends of you if you are watching everything of my old videos. But I'm very thankful that you are watching. Though you are watching of my short videos and my regular videos. And I wish don't forget to subscribe me. Just a gift that is if you are noticed to while you are watching in my videos that you are you love or even you like na lang or as a support to me, okay, to subscribe, share, likes and comments. And even if I'm asking a favor or asking help to support of my YouTube channel, but it depends of you also, diba? Because we are not the same. We are individual thinking, but I know that all of us we have a good heart, and we have an individual mind, eyes to analyze, to see what videos what I have, and that is the real. It's not a plastic or pretending. That is all of us, all of that what I'm doing every day here, every daily routine of my life while I'm working here in Baghdad, Iraq, in the house, in the condo unit of my employer. And once again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of us, to welcome the 2025 together with your family, with your friends, neighbor, own families, or all na lang, all as in all, even to my all families in the Philippines. It's every I don't know now which places they are belong, they stay with their own family or what countries, but the social media is all around the world. Sabay pang ganon, all around the world. Okay, so I wish that if you are watching this one and you are relatives, cousins, or whatever in my while you are watching my YouTube of my videos, so you are already one of us, okay? Because this one is my journey, and since I'm making my own journey, or to choose what I want to work, where I am, or it depends kasi we are not the same. We have some reasons, especially to the OFW, but me, I choose this one, and that is my journey. Even everything will be saying that why like this one, like that one, but that's what my journey. Okay, so now I'm alone again here in the house. I'm just finished in the sala, the balcony, and the kitchen, and my laundry. So, before I'm cleaning here in the kitchen, I'm cooking, or you see, I'm cooking. It's not step by step that you are doing or that you are watching some in the videos. Me, it's automatic, okay? I'm just making boiled, there is no pansit or bihon or sotanghon. Just in the Philippines here in Iraq, we have only spaghetti, macaron, and andomi. So I make the andomi, I boil the cooked water so that I can make directly one cook only to mix together. Oh, that's what I'm doing. When the andomi, the pasta of andomi is boiled, so I make the vegetable. This one is kusa dikul, this one is kusa, is small. But in the another country, it's the one, it's long yata or big, I don't know what's the name, opo in the Philippines pa. Squash, iba naman yata yung squash na, na style, I don't know. And then, we have a cook already the Kentucky last night. They didn't eat all, so I make a slice, so automatic I put. And the tomato, and the onion, and I put the mix of the andomio. So it's done already. That's why I don't want to cook to my employer, because I don't want that they have a comment, I don't know, it's make me pain, or it's make me crazy of my mind if they're telling that, what's that, it's salty, what's that, it's not taste, it's not yummy. Also, I don't like to hear like that one. I don't know. That's what my own. That's why it's better I cook any what I cook, assorted or whatever. At least that I'm the one to eat. Later I put the soy sauce. If I eat na, I mix. But not here, but not all. If the time that I eat na, and I make white rice. And white rice also, Sisi, she can eat that one with sauce or the laban. Okay, so that's what I do, and that's what I'm here. That's I'm doing for me if I'm alone, if I have time. I'm not make it quickly to work, quickly to my mind, that I need to finish, I need to like this one, because she finished in the school like this one. At least tomorrow holiday. So I make slowly. So why? Because at least I'm late in cleaning to finish. If Sisi will arrive, at least tomorrow there is no school. It's holiday tomorrow because it's January 1. Everybody celebrating the New Year. Okay? So, once again, thank you very much, and Happy New Year to all of us. And I wish and everything will be okay. Wherever we are, wherever you go, whatever you do, who you are, who I am, who we are, like this one, everything na, sabotage na yan, generalization na yan, and giving time, don't stress na, okay? Don't stress while you are watching my, don't make it, pain or stress by yourself. Just ignore. Okay, wow. If you are watching, you just keep a smile. Okay. Oh, what's the cheese like this? Okay. So that's, and don't forget to subscribe me. Sabay pang ganun. I'm just kidding. I'm just, what's that to you? That I don't want that. Even we are tired, even we are working, even we have because all of us, we have a problem like this one, like that one, so don't 100% to make it sad, okay? Just while watching in the social media, keep it smile, sway, relax, and like this one. And basta don't forget lang to subscribe me. I wish to subscribe, likes, comments, and share. And once again, thank you very much to all, not to all, okay, not to all, but I'm just also to say to the all bloggers in the social media, even my Facebook, my Instagram, or ano ba, what else, Messenger, YouTube, or what else, the another one, I don't know, because I'm only concentrating on my YouTube. Sometimes I'm just update of my FB and most Messenger, of course, because that is my message to the Philippines of my family and to my brother, to my niece and to my apo-apo and what else. Okay? So, some blogger, okay? Some blogger that who you are. I know if you are watching also again this one, who you are. If you are the one of I'm talking about it, to say thank you. From the beginning that I joined the YouTube channel, to have my own YouTube channel and to join the YouTube company. Thank you very much talaga, thank you very much. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you, wherever you are and whatever you do. And thank you for the support that you are still, and we are still together connected, okay? So thank you, and thank you very much. Keep safe and God bless us all sa buong mundo, okay? Nationwide, okay? Worldwide, okay? To all different countries, okay? Sabay okay pang okay. And keep safe. God bless us all and take care, okay? Happy New Year! Enjoy! Wish for everything will be okay for the more years to come to our individual wife. Wife naman, to individual life. Hindi na na-pronounce good. Okay, Happy New Year to all of us. Okay na. So, I put swai because I get table, no, not table. I get plate. Okay. I get plate. It's hot na. I get my plate. Hello, Happy New Year to all of us. Nag-eat ako ng rice. This morning, well, she take breakfast, so I drink also my chai and some mini hamburger. Samon ba? Samon. The bread, not hamburger. Okay. This one is my rice. My rice and my pansit, bihon. Pansit kasi yellow. Sabay pang ganun. Pansit. Pansit kasi yellow. Kita na yung kilikili natin. Ano kasi? It's for me naman only. It's just for me. It's okay na lang. Okay, this one the soy sauce that I use. You see? This one. And I put swai. Just swai. Okay. So, I can put na in my table. And so now I'm eating. And I need my shai. Where is my shai? Oh, this is my shai. Oh, normal. Normal lang this one. Okay, so thank you again. Thank you once again. Thank you for watching. Thank you again for watching. Keep safe lagi. Again, Happy New Year to all of us. Nationwide, worldwide, different countries, any countries sa buong mundo, okay? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year and bye!